Hey everyone, and welcome back to Supernatural Home. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of green cleaning with a product that's 7th generation laundry detergent. You must be passionate about reducing toxins in your homes and lives, and that includes the products we use every day. Traditional laundry detergents often contain harsh chemicals that can be harmful to our health and the environment. From synthetic fragrances to chlorine bleach, these ingredients can irritate your skin, pollute the waterways, and even disrupt the body hormones. It's time to make a change. And so, the 7th generation laundry detergent is a good choice. This plant-based formula is tough on dirt and stains, but gentle on your skin and the planet. Switching to a natural laundry detergent is a small change that can make a big difference, and 7th generation makes it easier than ever to embrace a healthier, more sustainable lifestyle. So, what makes 7th generation laundry detergent so special? First and foremost, it's made with plant-derived cleaning agents, meaning it's free from the harsh chemicals found in conventional detergents. This makes it a safer choice for your family and the environment. 7th generation also uses recycled and recyclable packaging, minimizing their impact on the planet. But don't just take my word for it. Thousands of happy users rave about 7th generation's effectiveness and gentle nature. Many people with sensitive skin, myself included, have switched to 7th generation and finally found relief from irritation and allergies. But 7th generation doesn't compromise on cleaning power. This detergent tackles tough stains and leaves your clothes fresh and clean, all while being gentle on your senses. Say goodbye to overpowering artificial fragrances and hello to the subtle, natural scents of 7th generation's essential oil blends. One of the things I love most about 7th generation laundry detergent is its versatility. They offer different formulas for all your laundry needs, including sensitive skin options, free and clear choices, and even detergents specially designed for baby clothes. Make sure to check out the video description after watching the video and browse through various choices available. No matter what your laundry routine looks like, 7th generation has a product that will meet your needs. And because it's gentle on fabrics, you can feel good about using it on even your most delicate items. Speaking of gentleness, let's talk about the impact traditional detergents have on our environment. The harsh chemicals in these detergents can end up in our waterways, harming aquatic life and disrupting ecosystems. 7th generation's plant-based formula, on the other hand, is biodegradable and doesn't contain harmful toxins, making it a much safer choice for our planet. By choosing 7th generation, you're making a conscious decision to protect our water, our wildlife, and the health of our planet for generations to come. Switching to 7th generation laundry detergent is a simple yet powerful way to make a difference in your own life and the health of our planet. Every load of laundry becomes an opportunity to choose products that are better for our health and the environment. It's about aligning our values with our actions and embracing a more mindful approach to everyday living. And the best part is, you don't have to sacrifice effectiveness for sustainability. 7th generation proves that you can have it all: powerful cleaning, gentle care, and a commitment to a healthier planet. So why not join me and countless others in making the switch to 7th generation laundry detergent? It's a small step that can have a big impact. Your clothes will thank you, your skin will thank you, and Mother Earth will thank you. Together, we can make a difference, one load of laundry at a time. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored the wonders of 7th generation laundry detergent. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're ready to ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace a greener clean, be sure to give 7th generation a try. I promise you won't be disappointed. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to this channel for more green living tips and product reviews. And as always, I'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts on 7th generation laundry detergent or your favorite eco-friendly cleaning products in the comments below. Let's continue the conversation and inspire each other to live healthier, more sustainable lives. Until next time, stay green and gorgeous. Thank you.